Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, March 20th. UBS shares reverse losses because it bought up Credit Suisse. The deal involves 3.2 billion in emergency rescue of embattled domestic rival Credit Suisse. So, despite the turmoil of Credit Suisse and the risk that entails, UBS is willing to acquire and bail out Credit Suisse. So more of the same issues that we got last week regarding banks. We have continuation. First Republic minus 17 on the day. Look at this trend down. And Credit Suisse, I mean, this is no longer bank. This is just cents below $1 a share right now, minus 53%. However, JP Morgan in the green, 1.67. Goldman Sachs plus 2.46, and Wells Fargo 1% in the green. Overall, the regional sectors is quite good, 2.59. And well, more or less that gave markets a little bit of confidence to start seeking for longs down here on this area of support on the 30-minute chart that, as you can see, is the area of pre-market lows. And I think we started to accommodate a lot of buyers down here, and then the final push was due to Amazon to lay off 9,000 more workers in addition to earlier cuts. So more than 18,000 staffers are going to be impacted by this decision, and this news did this to Amazon. This push here on the low side, we were consolidating down here around the 96, and then this push and this continuation higher. But right now is not everything looking good because Amazon is still minus 1.83 in the red. Tesla is the only one that is brutally going up, holding the Nasdaq on this. It's right below this support is now resistance, and Apple is also holding pretty nice, 1% in the green. But I mean, look at this, Microsoft minus 2.75. It's holding the market down. We are building above this descending resistance. We are building some support that is looking like a bull flag. If we check the 1 minute, we consolidated here and we started moving up after a long period of 1 hour of consolidation after market open. So right now we are looking to establish, honestly, a bull flag for tomorrow's breakout into Wednesday ahead of big interest rate decision on Wednesday at 2 p.m. So this is the situation on the Nasdaq. We need to be patient. We need to wait for information. And dollar is giving back a lot of the move that was initially established. Again, weakness on the cash, on the forex, on the dollar, due to the lack of confidence on the bank sector. Yields are pushing higher. Look at this, minus 3.51 with this unbelievable week. Look at this. This is big, huge. It was priced in the 2-year yield at 3.64, and now it's 30 points higher, 30 basis points, and the 10-year also in the green. All yields and September interest rates futures are putting a nice buying tails, and September is looking for 4.4 and December 4.1. That looks like a lot of cuts and a lot of weakness. I think markets are ahead of themselves a little bit here. This early morning, the probabilities for Wednesday were 0 basis points flat. Now is 22% again, pricing in 77% of 25 basis points. And that is looking, honestly, quite positive, but anything can happen. If Jerome Powell says that they are going to raise the rates more than this is right now being priced in, 25 basis points, this is going to be a disaster. Markets are super confident regarding these expectations on the interest rate hike. But despite the fact of the banks, we are still waiting for that news. And until then, we are going to chop around. Look at this. We try to break in this 5 minutes this bull flag that it's setting up on the daily, but again, rejection of higher pricing, rejection of 12,700. So quite dangerous day and quite choppy. And until then, until Wednesday, I think there's nothing much we can do until then, because there's no big news until Wednesday. Tomorrow's existing home sales will provide maybe some kind of reaction, but the big news, everyone is watching, waiting for FOMC interest rate decisions on Wednesday. So until then, I'm going to practice a lot of patience, and maybe I can do some scalps, but I don't want to risk it for the biscuit. So I'm going to remain right now, calling it a day, and waiting for tomorrow to see if markets react to something, if there's any new, and if not, I will wait for Wednesday. That's my plan, because I want to wait for those opportunities on Wednesday to read the market properly. Right now, everything is chopping around, and we have in the background all the noise that is causing this bank turmoil. Despite in the green, it's not giving a lot of confidence to the stock market and the futures market. So I'm going to wait. And that's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember that I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always, but remember that the trading day is not over yet. We are approaching noon, lunch hour, and I don't think today is going to be big, nor tomorrow. I told you earlier, everyone's waiting for Wednesday, 2 p.m. So be careful with your position, be careful with your risk, be patient. Discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone.